Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome to HealthQ, the health awareness channel. And our aim here is to boost up your health motivation, to boost up your health morale so that you can look at the brighter side of your health problem and start working towards it. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Coming to today's topic, we are going to talk about knee pain. Why knee pain is such a common problem? If you guys don't know, I am a physiotherapist and I have this experience of dealing with patients in day-to-day life suffering from pain past 8 years. And knee pain is one of the most common reasons because of which people come to physiotherapy sessions. Now, today what we are going to understand is what is the logical reason behind knee pain being such a common problem. Wherever I go, be it my friends, be it my family members, be it my relatives, people always come with this question: how do I deal with knee pain? This is such a common entity. When it comes to arthritis, knee arthritis is the common thing that comes to everybody's mind. Apart from this, even the younger generation people experience knee pain. Due to sports, due to play activity, lots of factors are there that makes knee joint more prone to develop pain-related symptoms. The first reason why the knee pain is such a common problem is the structure of knee joint itself. Knee joint is comprised of three important bones of our body. First is the femur bone, also called as the thigh bone. Next is tibia bone, also called as the shin bone. And third is the patella bone, also called as the kneecap bone. The function of the knee joint comprises of both mobility and stability. And that's the reason why this joint is the most complex and the largest joint of our body. The second thing that makes knee joint more prone to develop pain is the weight bearing function. Now, if you look at the day-to-day movements like walking, sitting, standing, or else lifting our leg and moving our ankle, in all these motions, knee joint has a predominant role. Knee joint has to bear all the stress in our day-to-day activities that we perform. This weight-bearing stress increases the force or else the tension coming to the muscles surrounding the joint, leading to the experience of pain as the chances of trauma increases. So now, the next reason why knee joint is very common is the incongruency of the articular surface. What do I mean by this? Now, if you look at the knee joint closely and the three bones involved making this knee joint, the surface which combine to each other forming this joint are very different from each other. They don't align well, and that's the reason they have to depend a lot on the structures surrounding the joint like muscles, ligaments, capsule, etc. The incongruency of this articular surfaces leads the dependency of the joint on the surrounding structures. Hence, whenever there is any damage to the surrounding structures of knee joint, this will lead to knee pain. The next reason that makes knee joint common for developing pain is the dependency on the muscles for the movement. Now, this is very common to other joints as well. The joints are able to move because of muscle contraction. Now, being the largest joint of the body and the most complex joint of the body, the muscles that surround the knee joint and leads to development of movement of this knee joint are also long and strong enough. Now, whenever due to lack of activity, due to sedentary lifestyle or due to some overexertion as well, there is weakness or tightness of the muscles, this will lead to more pressure and stress on the knee joint, leading to pain. The muscles that support the knee joint and causes movement at knee joint are the muscles that surround our thigh region. The muscles that lies in front of our thigh region, also called as quadricep muscles, are responsible for knee extension or knee straightening movement. The muscles that lie behind the thigh are the muscles who are responsible for knee bending. Whenever there is weakness of the front thigh muscle, this will lead to more stress and tension on the patella bone or else kneecap bone, leading to experience of pain. At the same time, the weakness and tightness of the back thigh muscle as well will put more pressure on the mobility in the knee joint, leading to the experience of pain. Unlike other joints of the body, knee joint is also more susceptible in developing injuries. The reason behind this is first, the activity that we do in our day-to-day life involves a lot of weight-bearing forces from the knee. As the importance of sports as well as active lifestyle is increasing, the people, especially in the sports field, especially the working professional who has to stand for long hours, put lots of stress on the knee. Now, as already mentioned, knee is dependent on ligaments, muscles, tendons and capsule for its support. This ligament has to go wear and tear whenever there is excess movement or else excess stress coming to the joint, leading to more increased risk of injury. Another common problem related to knee joint that increases the susceptibility of knee pain is a condition called as plica syndrome. Now, what do I mean by this? When we are in our embryological state, which means when we are very tiny small before our birth, there is a structure of synovial lining that exists in our knee joint. This synovial lining will slowly shred off as we grow. But in some individuals, this particular structure persists. As we grow, this structure also grows in size and stay within the joint in the form of some septum in the synovial lining. Whenever there is compression or pressure coming to this structure, this leads to experience of pain and stiffness since it irritates the structures, the nerves around the joint. So friends, these were some common reasons because of which knee pain is such a common problem. Knee is more prone to injury compared to any other joints in our body. I hope you find this video useful. So do ensure to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you on another video. Thank you.